Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 8.8-inch IPS touchscreen special Android screen for BMW X3, X4. Okay, let me show it. You can check this front panel and the back and the side. You can check. This for BMW X3 and CIC 2011 to 2013 years. This PX6 RAM 4GB, ROM 32GB, Android 9.0. This power, this audio cable, this connection for USB cable. Okay, you can check. GPS antenna. Okay. Head unit will come with this audio AUX. This AUX cable. This long cable will come with head unit. You can check this connector connect to back of head unit. Connect to back of head unit, this power, and this fuse box. And this connector, plug and play. Okay, this connector. Okay, and this audio out AUX port, and this rear camera input RC type. And this X1 key. This camera detect wire. Camera detect wire. Okay, this camera 12 voltage. Okay, this cable, you can connect this on back. Okay, connected this power. Okay, this audio cable you can check. This connect on back of head unit, and this DVR video input. This video input RC type. Video input. Okay, this video input. This microphone, external microphone. This video out 1 and the video out 2. This is AUX input left and right. Okay, you can connect to this position. So you can check connected. And this USB cable. There are two USB cable. You can check these two USB cable and the connector. You can connect this on this position. Okay, this is a connection, this GPS antenna. Please use our GPS antenna. Okay, let me connect the power to test the head unit. Connected. Let me disconnect the audio cable. Okay, let me power 12 voltage. Okay, you can check BMW start. Okay, started. You can check. You can play music. This is Bluetooth dial. You can make a phone call, free phone call, and stream music. This is phone list, call list, and you can pair your Bluetooth. Okay, this music. You can play music from USB card, USB driver, navigation, Bluetooth, video, car info, browser, file manage, DVR, dashboard, phone link, apps, settings. All apps are here. It's built in Google Maps and DAB plus easy connection for Mirrorlink. You can connect Android USB, Android Wi-Fi, support iPhone Wi-Fi. Okay. And built-in Play Store. You can download applications from Play Store. It supports TPMS. You can connect the external or internal Bluetooth, TPMS. Settings, navigation, language. You can set all languages. You can choose either language. It's Spanish and other languages. All languages are here. Okay, it's time you can set the manually auto update by GPS. It's audio, you can make the audio volume. Camera, it supports backup camera. More settings you can check. Let me check about tablet. You can check this rack chip RK399, this PX6 rack chip. Android 9 Pie system. Okay, let me back. It's built in the Wi-Fi and support hotspot from your phone. System info. You can check this Android version is Android 9 and RAM 4GB. Okay, and let me check the factory setting. Factory setup. (1314). Okay, this is important to change advanced. You can change UI boot logo. And this is important, you can choose the car type. Boot logo. And change this logo. I will show it in next video. Okay, that's all. Thank you.